If you think becoming a pilot in India is just about money, this video can save you years of confusion, lakhs of rupees, and possibly your entire future. 2026 is going to be a very different year for aviation aspirants in India. More airline expansions, more training advertisements, more Instagram dreams, and unfortunately, more aviation scams. Parents will be confused, students will be emotionally excited, and wrong decision will be taken very fast. Today, I will show you the exact practical ground level roadmap to become a commercial pilot in India, step by step, process by process. I'm Captain P. Kumar. I have trained pilots who are flying Airbus and Boeing today, and I've also seen families lose money, time, and confidence because they trusted the wrong advice. This video is not motivation, this is aviation reality. If you are serious about aviation, don't skip this video because one emotional decision can cost you 1 crore and 8 to 10 years of your life. Let's do the reality check. Very important. Let me be very honest with you. Becoming a pilot is not a dream career. It is a high discipline profession. You should not become a pilot if you hate routine and rules. If you want fast money like IT or business, you break under pressure, you avoid responsibility, you want clever more than accountability. If listening to this don't scare you and instead makes you more serious, then yes, let's talk about roadmap. Basic eligibility. Minimum age is 60. At 80, you can get your CPA. If we talk about education qualification, then you must be 12th pass to get the commercial pilot license. Very soon, physics and maths is gonna be discontinued from the DGCA. Waiting for the confirmation. DGCA medical. First step, not second. This is the step that destroys most careers silently. DGCA Class 2 medical. This must be done before paying any institute, joining any ground school, booking any flying slot. Let me call one of the most reputed Class 2 DGCA medical examiner, Dr. Jawahar Bakru, to give you detail about Class 2 medical.
Class 2 medical is a initial medical by a aspirant pilot candidate. The student, after passing the 12th, when they feel like going into the civil aviation as a pilot, they are opting as a pilot as a career. So this is the first test to be done. That is a medical examination, medical checkup of the candidate. This is the Class 2 medical, which is the initial medical for the aspirant pilot. Because medical is very important here.
Failing medical after spending lakhs is not bad luck. It is poor guidance. DGCA Class 1 medical is highly recommended before starting your flying training. Much strict standards ensures long-term cockpit fitness. Medical first, always first. No exceptions at all. Let's talk about DGCA theory. This decides your future confidence. DGCA theory, ground classes plus books plus subjects. सबसे पहले एक रियलिटी चेक. DGCA थियरी बस पढ़ लो वाला गेम नहीं है. ये डिसिप्लिन प्लस सिस्टम प्लस रिवीजन का गेम है. आप फ्लाइंग से पहले माइंडसेट और नॉलेज दोनों को कॉकपिट लेवल पर ले जा रहे हो. ग्राउंड क्लासेस का रोल, व्हाई इट मैटर्स. ग्राउंड क्लासेस का काम सिर्फ सिलेबस कवर करना नहीं होता. कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करना, एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड अप्रोच सेट करना, DGCA एग्जाम पैटर्न समझाना, वीक टॉपिक्स आइडेंटिफाई करके फिक्स करना, नोट्स प्लस रिवीजन, फ्रेमवर्क देना. स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्राउंड स्कूल इज इक्वल टू DGCA में स्पीड प्लस एक्यूरेसी. DGCA 3 subjects. If I would like to do the breakdown, air navigation, most fearful, most schooling if done right. क्या होता है इसमें? टाइम, स्पीड, डिस्टेंस, विंड ट्रायंगल, कॉन्सेप्ट, रेडियो नेविगेशन, परफॉर्मेंस, टाइप, न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड लॉजिक क्वेश्चंस. कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए? डेली न्यूमेरिकल प्रैक्टिस, फॉर्मूला शीट रेडी होनी चाहिए, शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाने चाहिए, रिपीट कॉन्सेप्ट्स. और अगर रियलिटी की बात करें, नए वीक है तो अटेम्प्ट स्लो हो जाता है. Let's talk about meteorology, atmosphere, pressure systems, clouds, wind pattern, monsoon basics, jet streams, forecast understanding, basic level की. एग्जाम में क्या आएगा? Concept based MCQs, situational questions regarding storm, turbulence, icing, real life connect. Math strong is equal to safety mindset strong. Let's talk about air regulations, rules of the sky. क्या होता है? ICAO framework, DGCA rules and licensing overview. क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कौन कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट्स का ध्यान रखना है. कंप्लायंस माइंडसेट. एग्जाम की बात करते हैं. डायरेक्ट रूल्स प्लस सिनेरियो बेस्ड MCQs. एयर रैग सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट नहीं, ये पायलट की डिसिप्लिन का टेस्ट होता है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टेक्निकल जर्नल, एयरक्राफ्ट एंड इंजन फंडामेंटल्स. क्या होता है? बेसिक एरोडायनामिक्स, रिवीजन of lift, drag, thrust, aircraft systems overview, instruments basics, piston and jet engine, safety system, basic performance theory, best approach concept clarity plus diagram. Now, let's talk about technical specific. It is aircraft type dependent. ये आपका aircraft type पर depend करता है. ये तब आता है जब आप स्पेसिफिक एयरक्राफ्ट टाइप पर फोकस्ड होते हो. कोर आइडिया, एयरक्राफ्ट के सिस्टम्स को डीप में समझना. बुक्स एंड स्टडी मटेरियल, प्रैक्टिकल स्टेक. DGCA के लिए बुक्स का सिलेक्शन रैंडम नहीं होता. राइट बुक प्लस राइट सिस्टम मैटर्स. गोल्डन रूल, 70% टाइम आप रिविजन करें, 30% न्यू लर्निंग सीखें. DGCA क्लियर करने के लिए जीनियस नहीं, सिस्टम चाहिए. फ्लाइंग का ड्रीम रनवे पे नहीं, DGCA की थ्योरी के टेबल पर स्टार्ट होता है. जिस दिन आप डिसिप्लिन में आ गए, कॉकपिट सिर्फ टाइम की बात है. फ्लाइंग इज नॉट अबाउट हाउ स्मूथ योर लैंडिंग इज. फ्लाइंग इज अबाउट हाउ क्लियर योर थिंकिंग इज. इफ योर थ्योरी बेस इज वीक, you will panic in simulator, you will struggle in the airline interviews, and you will never feel confident in the cockpit. Preparation options, structured ground school in India, self-study with proper mentorship, discipline is non-negotiable. Flying training, India versus abroad. This is where most money is either saved or destroyed. If we talk about flying in India, let me tell you what are the pros. Direct DGCA exposure, Indian ATC and procedures, no license conversion stress, cons, weather dependency, aircraft availability issues. Flying may take longer. Flying abroad, South Africa, US, Europe, Philippines, better weather, faster hour building, highly structured airspace, DGCA conversion, paperwork complexity, wrong decision is equal to total loss. Flying abroad is not a shortcut. It is a responsibility. Without guidance, it becomes a trap. License path is step by step. No confusion. Student pilot license. Entry into the flying. You need to do the medical plus documentation clearance. Then the second license, private pilot license, PP Air, optional. Skill development, confidence building, not mandatory for airlines. Very, very important. That is the third license, which is CPL. Commercial pilot license, professional qualification, minimum requirement for airline job. CPL requirement in India, minimum 200 flying hours. All DGCA exams clear. Skill test must be passed. Hours don't make you employable. Training quality does. Now let's talk about aviation scams. Very common in India. Current tech job offer, fake airline tie-ups, pay today, slots later scheme. No refund policy, no written roadmap. Aviation scams don't threaten you. They emotionally convince you. Job market reality 2026 and beyond. Yes, airline hiring will increase, but airlines don't hire everyone. Airline want a strong DGCA knowledge, simulator discipline, professional behavior, clean training history. Airline don't hire licenses, they hire command potential. Role of a good institute, most misunderstood. A good institute will refuse students when required, explain risk clearly, involve parents honestly, focus on systems, not sales. Institutes don't create pilots, systems create pilots. I have seen students break down after failure, and I've seen the same students a year later sitting silently in a cockpit with confidence. This journey will test your patience, your family's belief, your mental strength. But if aviation is truly your dream, don't rush. Don't compare. Don't copy Instagram pilots. Do it right. If you want clarity, not confusion, write your questions in the comments. If you want a structured, ethical guidance, connect with Top Aviation. We don't sell dreams. We build pilots. Fly safe. Think smart. Captain P. Kumar.